Да, круп, потом был салат, какой-то тоже не очень. Hey guys, welcome to the new Belgrade vlog. Today is Sunday. Yesterday I ran 10k, which you would have seen if you watched my previous vlog, and I definitely feel it. I've not run 10k's for a while, and yesterday was kind of rough on me, and I definitely feel it in my muscles, in my bones, and yeah, I don't know, I'm getting older, I guess, because I used to run like a lot and I would recover very quickly. So it's a bit annoying, but anyways, today's Sunday. You just saw me hanging out with my friend a bit, and Alex with my dog Cookie, with our dog, came to pick me up, and now we're gonna go to a different cafe. Hopefully, it's called Zonder. It gets quite popular over the weekend, so I don't know if we can get a table there, especially outside, but we'll try. And we're gonna have a very, very late breakfast, which is really lunch, because it's pretty much 2 p.m. now, and we are is it already Vrachar? We're approaching Vrachar, and that's a part of the city that's very lovely. We haven't been here for over a month, which is criminal, and I'm looking forward to walking along the streets a little bit, and looking forward to eating as well, because I only had a coffee and a cookie, and that's it. Monday morning, I'm so sleepy, and it's gonna rain later as well, so I need to try and be a bit productive the first part of the day, so that I can maybe have a chicken up in the afternoon. It's 9:18 a.m. I'm currently back home in my bedroom sitting. I'm gonna read a book a little bit on my phone, and then I'm gonna start working. And in front of me is my balcony, and I'm just watching the leaves flying up high, the wind disturbing the trees, and I'm so looking forward to the honestly anything the weather has in the store for us, because last week we had last Saturday was a rain for a couple of hours, and this was just beautiful and majestic. And this week is getting colder. It's gonna get rainier and like nasty and disgusting outside, which I'm so up for. I'm so tired of sweating. Oh my god, I'm done with it. I'm so ready for fall. The only downside is my parents are flying in this week, and I was kind of hoping that they could get a bit of summer, maybe just a few days, but looks like they just miss it, but that's all right. And yeah, I'm gonna read a bit, and then I'm gonna start my day, which is gonna be many hours in front of the laptop. time with my friend Daria. We went to a cafe, then we had lunch together, we exchanged books. Now I'm running back home. It's so cold. I don't think I'm gonna go for a run or go out in general tonight, even though it's Friday. I'm just really looking forward to, spending my time under the blanket with some hot tea. Saturday morning, I arrived to my pedicure appointment. I'm dressed very autumnal, and after that we're gonna go back to Mali Prague with my mom and Cookie because they have like a dog's day thing with special tasty things for dogs and drinks, and we're gonna explore that. So this was a major fail because the dog's day is not today, it's actually next Sunday, so we didn't end up seeing any dogs apart from Cookie. And yeah, I don't know, I'm pretty sure that it was supposed to be today, so either they moved it or I'm just going crazy, which is either option is possible. And right now my mom and I and Cookie are in a little greenery area for Cookie to do her business, and then we're gonna go to some other coffee shop so that I can get myself a matcha latte, because the second fail that I've ordered a matcha latte and this was the shittiest matcha latte I've had in a while. It was literally horrible. Like I took a few sips and then I left it. I didn't finish it at all, and I really want a matcha latte, so we're gonna go find one. And I think this is on this very sad note. No, it's actually fine, no worries, but yeah, I think it's time to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week. Bye.